Hi everybody, I'm Yogi Cecily and I'm here once again to talk to you about equipment that you will need for all of your online exercise and yoga experiences. Now the last time we talked about meditation cushions, and before that I talked to you about exercise tubing and bands. So what I want to do today is finish up everything about meditation cushions. Now we talked about cushions that might be too soft versus a cushion that is firmer and can also be used as a bolster. That's my preference. You always want to get something that has double uses, right? Now, today I just wanted to show you my true favorite cushion, and this was a gift from Cost Plus World Market, and it's a foldable cushion. What I like about this cushion is because it folds, the back end of it is higher than the front end. So that gets my hips up nice and high. And remember, we talked about higher hips helping your knees to drop down lower. So if you want that sort of folded knee position, that's going to be better. But for me, why I like this cushion is because I've got really cranky ankle bones, which means I don't like to put my ankles down on a hard surface. Sometimes I might be on a meditation retreat and you're just there, on the concrete or on a wooden deck. And this is my favorite cushion because it gives me a seat and a place for my ankle bones. Now, check out this cushion. It's also a mini mat. I'm going to turn sideways so that you can see it. And what I mean by that is look how it unfolds, right? And then I'm going to turn it this way. And it's a mini mat because it still has, this side is a little bit higher. So let's say you're on a picnic and you just want to lie down. It gives me nice support along my spine, and I have, this is very nice. See, it has more than one use. So I really love this. You could use it on your chaise as well if you're outside on a deck. That's why this is my favorite meditation cushion. Look, I can even leave it unfolded like this and it still gives me a little bit of an upward piece for my hips and much more space on the lower end for my ankles and my knees. See that? So again, this is your foldable meditation cushion, my favorite, and it's great if friends come over to your house because if you didn't need another seat, in your house, you can unfold it for them and then everybody can have the pizza party, right? Now, next time we meet, I'm going to flip back into doing fitness and I want to talk to you about kettlebells versus dumbbells. Do you need both? What's the difference in the grip? What are the differences in the weights? And how to actually use both of these effectively in your home workout. So I hope you check that one out next, going back into fitness, moving out of yoga. Stay with me on all of these tutorials. Again, I'm Yogi Cecily, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.